Hey guys, it's Philip from the Honda Resource. Today, we got a video coming to you by request, and this is for a 97 to 01 Honda CRV, so the first generation Honda CRV. And we're going to be showing you how to open the rear glass in the event that you're at the salvage yard and you're trying to get the fancy spoiler off of it, or you need something else out of the rear. And we're going to show you how to open this glass without breaking it. We've been having a lot of issues with people breaking this glass, and there are people that need these glass. So rather than break it, we'll show you how to open it. And to do this, I'm just going to be using a simple power tool battery, such as this Milwaukee M12. I've done this with several other brands of power tool batteries, such as Ryobi and Cobalt. It works all the same. So all you need is a power tool battery and a couple wire scraps. If you're new to the channel, I'd invite you to go ahead and subscribe. We've got some other DIY Honda repair content, as well as the K-Series all-wheel drive build. So let's get to this and show you how to properly open this without the car having a battery. Right, so obviously this car is not at the salvage yard. This is out here at my shop. But I'm gonna disconnect the battery just so that you know. I'm gonna set it up like it is at a junkyard, right? Which actually the battery is already disconnected. So I'll just disconnect both posts for good measure. So you can see the positive and the negative are both removed, all right? All right, so if you're at the salvage yard, you may be able to find a couple wire scraps. So I've just got two pieces of wire here. These happen to be the same color. It doesn't matter what color they are. You just need two pieces of scrap wire, okay? And then, so what we're gonna do is remove the button that releases the hatch glass. You see it's not doing anything right now. So if it had the fuse cover on here, take the fuse cover off, and then you could just reach behind it and pop the switch out. Push a little tab right here, and it's gonna release the switch. All right, and then we're gonna take our power tool battery, and you'll need to find your negative and positive on the tool battery. So for mine, this one over here is the positive. Most all tool batteries are labeled positive and negative. And then the negative is over here, all right, such as this. All right, I'm gonna set my battery there. All right, and if you look, see this is a yellow wire and a white wire with a yellow or green tracer. So we're not concerned with the white wire. We just need the yellow wires. So we're gonna take our positive lead from our power tool battery. We're gonna hook it up to the terminal that has the yellow wires. So you just push it here in the end. All right, and then we need our negative, and we just touch it over here to a bolt. Bam. Just open the back glass. See that? See how simple that was? So you can see the back glass open right up. And I'll show you again. It's closed. All right. All right, and so now I'll back up here. And again, our positive terminal from our power tool battery is on the yellow, right? And then you can just take this to the ground, and I just touch to it right here. Bam. Now you're in business. So guys, please, I know we all want that JDM wing off of the hatch, or we want to get the table out of the rear at the salvage yard. Don't be lazy and bust the back glass. The next man might need that back glass, right? So take a few extra seconds. You see it didn't take long to complete this. Take a few extra seconds and open the back glass, and you get whatever you need to get, all right? As always, guys, I appreciate you tuning in to the Honda Resource. I hope you stick around and watch some more videos. And as always, I'd appreciate a like, a comment, and throw me a subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so that you get all the notifications when I post videos. Thanks for tuning in. Hope to see you on the next one. Peace.